Welcome. If you want to control who can send you direct messages on Discord for each server, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to allow DMs for a specific server, so you can keep your inbox open to the people you trust while staying protected from unwanted messages. First, open up the Discord app on your device. You'll see your list of servers on the left side of the screen. Tap on the server where you want to adjust your DM settings. This brings you into that server's channels and chat. Next, look to the top of your screen and tap the server's name. This opens up the server's menu, where you'll find several options related to your experience on that server. Scroll down in the menu until you find the option labeled Privacy Settings. Tap on it, and you'll see a toggle for Allow Direct Messages from server members. If you want to let people from this server DM you, simply toggle this setting on. When it's enabled, any member of that server can send you a direct message, even if you're not friends. If you prefer more privacy, you can toggle it off, and only your friends will be able to DM you from that server. This setting is unique for each server, so you can choose to allow DMS in one community while keeping them off in another. It's a great way to stay connected with close groups or project teams, while avoiding spam or unwanted messages from larger public servers. To recap, just open Discord, tap the server you want, tap the server's name at the top, scroll to Privacy Settings, and toggle Allow Direct Messages on or off as you prefer. That's all it takes to manage your DM settings for each server on Discord. Stay connected, stay safe, and enjoy your Discord experience.